Hello everyone, welcome back to Invent Model Technology Solution. This is our day second or day two of learning Tableau, of mastering data visualization with Tableau. So, in today's class, the agenda will be to have a setup of a Tableau or see the steps to how to install Tableau. So, let's just go through the table of content today. Yeah. So today's content will be first we will gonna get to the introduction again, and then we're gonna see two steps to download Tableau with both the aspect like for having a product key as well as for downloading as a public download, and then we're gonna get through the interface of the Tableau. So, before moving to the today's agenda or today's point of context, I just want to get the all the sum up of previous class. Then that in our previous class we have discussed about what is Tableau. So again, I just giving an one page introduction for the same. That is, Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool which is used for business intelligence and data analysis. It helps users to create interactive and shareable dashboards which visually represent data in a form of charts, graphs, maps, and other visual elements. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about what is Tableau. Tableau is basically a data visualization tool which helps the user to create interactive dashboards or a visual image using charts, graphs, and maps, and so on. We also discuss about what is business intelligence and what do you understand by data analysis. Uh, Apart from that, we also discuss about what are the core elements of any business elements or the business intelligence. There are basically three core components of business intelligence. First is data warehousing, in which we collect all the data from multiple sources, whether it can be internal or external. And next step will be data mining. So after collecting all the data from multiple sources, we try to get the relationship between all the data that we have collected, and then came in a picture which is data visualization. And there are many different tools for the same, but we are working on a Tableau. So that at that point of time, Tableau is the tool which is used to represent all the data that we have analyzed in the previous steps. We also discuss about the features of Tableau, that is data visualization, data connection, dashboard creation, interactive dashboards, and so on. Apart from that, we also discuss about the market value of Tableau, that why we should learn Tableau, what are the impact of Tableau in real world or in a market, and also see the comparison of Tableau with other BI tools. And with respect of BI, Power BI, we discuss about few points that why Tableau has a major impact on the market and why it is much more important than any other business tools. So this is the all the points that we have covered in our previous session or class. So now we just gonna see to download Tableau to get to the better interface, to understand the interface in a better way. So here are the steps. Uh, there are basically 5 major steps to download Tableau. And apart from that, there is one another way to download it publicly. So why I just introduced with the two ways of downloading Tableau, because as Tableau is a premium tool, we all know, So it only provides free trial for up to 14 days only. So we need a publicly downloaded or a free download image, or at the same time, if we have a product key, so then we don't need to get to into the other another way, or the another way to download Tableau. So for that, we have to buy the product key to work in a as much as time we want to download or have it or to use it the Tableau. So that's why we introduce or we come up with a solution. We are having two ways to download Tableau. I just go through the official steps to download Tableau. That first uh, step will be to download Tableau. So first we have to go to the official website of Tableau, which is www.tableau.com. After that, we have to go to the product section and then choose Tableau Desktop. Uh, then click on the try now or the free trial button. Enter your email address and start, and the process will start to download. Second step will be we have to locate the file, or you can typically use the Tableau desktop 64 byte dot txt name, or just double click on it and it start picking installing. And after that, there are some wizards or the key points that came. That is, we have to accept all the terms and condition, choose the destination folder, and then just click on install. So the installation will start going. After installation is completed, we have to launch the Tableau desktop. So basically in that point, we have to activate Tableau. So if you have a product key, you can input for it activation. And if you are looking for a free trial, you can start the free trial button. And then we already discussed that Tableau offers a 14 days free trial for new users. And then we have to register with Tableau. So for registration, there is a window will pop up with some details. So we have to fill up the details like name, company, email, and so on. And then just click on submit and the registration process will complete. After that, the process of installation is complete, and then we get the Tableau app, and then we can connect data. So after activation, the Tableau will open the start page, and you can begin with connecting to the data source. Now, for example, if you want to connect any Excel file or CSV file or MySQL or any other Google Sheets, and it's start and you can start creating your visualization by importing your data. And last step will be update. If it is optional, you can update your products in the menu. But these are the steps if you have the product key. So if you don't have the product key, there is another way to download it publicly. So for that, I have written some few steps so that we can download the Tableau in a publicly way. So we don't have to buy the product key. So first, what we have to do is just to go to the official Tableau website, that is public.tableau.com, and there are some steps. Let me just try to implement in a uh, manageable way so that you can see and understand it much better way. So let's just open the uh, yeah. So it just already open. Let me just go back and then try to open it again. So what we have to do is just type that public.tableau.com, and then just by clicking on this, we come up in a page, and then just click on the Tableau Public Discover. And after clicking on this, there are two options, which is create and learn. So in create option, there are two drop down option, which is web authoring and download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So we have to click on download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So I'm just clicking on it. There is a new window will open up, and there is a one registration form that you have to fill up. So I'm just filling it up, all the email address, and just click on download the app. Okay, so it started downloading, and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to download, because it is just 501 MB. So it will not take that much of time. And if it's not downloading, there is one more option that you can automatically click on this, like whether you are downloading for Mac, Intel, or Mac App Silicon, Apple Silicon, or Windows. So we are working on a Windows, so we will click on Windows, and it started downloading. So just by, if it's not downloading, you can just click on this, and then it's automatically started downloading. So we have already uh, downloaded. Let me see. Yeah. So here you can see that we are downloading the page, and it is downloaded already. It is 64 bytes. So just click on the Tableau public desktop, and double click on it so that it will open up. Yeah, please allow me 1 minute. Will take a few minutes. And let me check. Uh, yeah. So here you can see the page will open. Uh, I just click multiple times. So let me just remove all this. Yeah. And just go with one. Yeah. So one pop-up will come that before installation the product, you must have read and accept all the, basically you have to agree with all the terms and conditions. So we have to click on this, that I have read and accept the terms and the license agreement. There is one more option, that select the checkbox to opt out, that is don't set product uses data. So it doesn't bother us, so we will just click it to uh, not click on it, of course, and it the process will started to installing, and then we have to enter the pin. If you don't have, worry, just yeah. So after that, it will started downloading. Starts downloading. It will take a few minutes to install properly, but just allow us few minutes to get it done. As it just keep downloading, we just go through the site and learn some new things or some sample data or the community resources as well, because it's always better to learn new things. Okay. So it is started like how to start. So you have to learn the foundational Tableau concept and terminology while building an interactive dashboard in a Tableau public. There are some samples you can go through, like Excel data sets. After that, we have to connect data, or whether you want to learn how to connect data and relation multiple tables to create a Tableau data source. So for that too, we have to learn how to connect them. Then we also get to know about how to navigate the workspace area, basically to learn the layout of the workspace area and the high level dashboard creation. And after that, there are many other ways to use, like whether you can use for the sales or category, for profit ratio or geography or tax basis or any other thing. So let's just go to the site and try to learn new things. Again, here is the sample. You can see that it is basically the monthly sales of a segment of all the states, basically all the types, all the branches that have in a different states. So it is about to install. Here you can see will take few minutes to install, but don't need to bother about that part. It is again started. Let me just unclick this. Okay. So let's just go to the public.tableau.com. And there are some biz of the day. Biz of the day, basically the news or the, a new inspiration for the data visualization of the week. So here are some inspiration for us. Here you can see there are different types of trending pages, like fastest app of 100 million users, or you can use for health and safety construction, or there are some example of L-shaped bar, or for desk management, as well as it's also used for big problems, or when you have lots of data. For example, here you can see there is a way to London poverty and inequality makeovers. There is also the use of Salesforce Admin Insight. So it itself uses a Tableau to get into the inside of the admin. Here you can see there is also a model or the data visualization of car sales dashboard. So there is also use for this as well. It's also used for video games. So like critical hits, how many times it is, and there are many ways to use uh, Tableau in a other ways as well. There are also some ways to use in a fitness or sports ways, like to get into the journey to goal of about any biography, or season recaps, that how many seasons, what can happen, Olympics, population, para Olympics that we have done in 2024. So for that too, it is also used for that. It also used in the field of healthcare, which identifies the wellness strength, or basically used to create in a dashboards for healthcare, like health tracker, or to understand there are some mental issues like Dalimsa, to battle with the words and a self-worthy, uh, and so on. There are some data bridges, of course. It's also used for news and events. So it also discover data visualization about news and events from around the world. Like for example, literacy rate or the Paralympic data from all over the world, as well as how common is your birth date. And it's also used for education. Uh, like for example, Duolingo is also using Tableau to get into the insight of the space repetition data, or Udemy course also used to analyze the their course. So for that also too, they need dashboard creation for that, annual certification and degrees and so on. There are, it's just unlimited ways to use. It's just you have to go through to the depth of this to understand it in a better way. So I think it is installed. Yeah. So here you can see the Tableau is installed. Let's just try to click on it and try to understand the interface of this as well. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, please allow me 1 minute. It is about to open. Yeah, here you can see the Tableau desktop has been open, and then we're gonna get to know about the interface, learn about the interface of the desktop, and see how vast, or the how many vast features that it has. Uh, so yeah. It has and numerous features. So yeah, here you can see the Tableau Public has been open, and there are mainly three sections of Tableau interface. What does this processing request? Let me just remove the multiple sections of that. So here you can see this is the interface of Tableau. There are three main sections. First is connect, then open, and then learn about learn new things or learn about. So before letting us know about connect or open, I just get to know about learn Tableau, this part basically. What news? So here you can save your work locally or publicly. If you want to use your Tableau as a public profile, you can public it or used for public as well. So local save is available on Tableau desktop. There are some updation if you want to update or check out the new updation, as well as there are some also many videos to learn Tableau by itself, like get to how to start the public Tableau, get videos to how to use it, explore sample videos, and learn many hands-on challenges that Tableau may in Tableau you may suffer or go through that, as well as you can also read a blog and explore all the type of today base we already see or discuss about today's base that I have already talked. And we also see the trending results. We just about to see that, and we just see that result of the day, and what what's just going on a market, what are people doing with the help of Tableau and these so for that part there are ways to read the blog. So basically you can get any information in this part, which comes in a what's new or learn Tableau. Next is connect. So before getting into the open section, we will gonna learn about the term here, connect option. So there are many, as I already let you know about the importance of Tableau, that it has a numerous amount of features. Like it has multiple ways to connect with the Excel, to download with any to connect with any databases, whether it can be MySQL. You can also connect with any languages as well as cloud services as well. So let's just go through all these things. So here you can see if you want to connect with any file, particularly if I say that it can be either Excel or you can use your text file if you want to use that data for visualization. So image, so JSON file will also used. PDF file can also use for data visualization. Statical files can also be used for data visualization. So for that you can easily just connect that, and open here, the page will open or the data will open accordingly, and then you can make changes or visualize the data uh, by the way you want. Next to the server, if I go to the server, there are more options. So let's just click on the option more. So here you can see there are three types of connector, that is Google Drive, OData, and web data connector. Let's just click on it. Wait a minute. Let me check. Yeah, so for that we have to use a connector, build a connector. If you want to build a connector, you can build, or you can also use connector for that. So to connect that, you have to enter the URL of that web connector. It can be from different sites that holds your data. So after that, if you want to connect the display of a web page, you have to enter the information that you have prompt from, and then submit the page. You have to wait while the connector retrieve the data and import it into the Tableau as an extract. And then it will open the new worksheet, and you can, begin your analysis you want. So here is the option, help. You can go call through that, and also learn how it works, training, community, choose language if you want to change, if you want to get any settings for the interface, as well as check out the product updates if you want. And then here is an option, if you want to get, then there are file options, so you can have a new file, open the existing file, as well as manage your profile, and so on. So I just exited from the Tableau interface. So I hope you guys get to know about how to use. Let me go through the official ways too, as well as I already discussed the another way, but it's better to go with product key. So if you have the product key, how can we do that? So let me just go through that part too. So we just visited on www.tableau.com, and just let me just click download. So we have to open the www.tableau.com, and then just click on download Tableau desktop. And here you can see in the product drop down, we have the option Tableau. So we have to click on that. And if you have whatever you want to try it for free or what, so we want to try it for free. So we just have to click on that. And for that, we have to fill this form and then just submit it. And after submission, it is started downloading. And after downloading, there are some interface just as same as before, that we have to accept the terms and condition, and it will install. After installation, if you want to sign up for that, so we have to click on this sign up part. And for that, we have to choose that whether we want to sign up with Tableau for public, Tableau.com, or Tableau for a cloud. So accordingly, we will go with the public, and then click on this. And there are some same as some drop down. So we have to fill in the, uh, what we say, the options, that is email and the password. And after that sign up, we will get the interface of Tableau. So this is it for today, guys. This is the whole setup or the steps to download Tableau with the both ways. Either you can use by using product key, or can be used another way to download it publicly. So after that, in our next class, we're gonna see the interface in a much better way and try to understand in a better way, so that we will get on hands on Tableau and try to implement some data visualization and try to connect our databases as well. For example, it can be either MySQL or uh, it can be either Excel file or anything. So we will work on that part too. Uh, so I hope you guys you have learned or understood all the things, and this is our day second. So try to go with the pace and learn new things in a right way or in a sequence way. And this is it for guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.